Welcome to The Power of the Circle, a comprehensive guide to toroidal transformers for electricians, engineers, and homeowners. We begin with engineering innovation, exploring how the unique donut shape is revolutionizing modern power electronics. A toroidal transformer uses a continuous ribbon core wound into a donut shape. The primary and secondary windings are wrapped uniformly, leaving no gaps for magnetic leakage. The circular path results in magnetic perfection, leading to lower stray field interference, reduced mechanical vibration, and highly efficient flux density. Toroidal models offer unmatched performance with a high efficiency rating of 95 to 97%. This means less heat and lower electricity costs for the homeowner. Compared to older EI core transformers, toroids are up to 50% lighter, nearly silent, have extremely low humming, and use a single center bolt for mounting. Toroidal transformers power your life in areas like hi-fi audio with zero hum, LED lighting with stable, flicker-free voltage, and sensitive medical equipment with low interference. The circular core contains 90% more magnetic flux than square designs, effectively minimizing electromagnetic interference, or EMI. Here are some pro tips for electricians. Use rubber washers for single-point mounting, ensure airflow for thermal management, and avoid the quote shorting turn. The 3 pillars of toroids are compact size for slim enclosures, silent operation for residential use, and green due to high efficiency and less wasted energy. Remember, innovation in electrical design is about the shape of performance. Thank you for watching this video.